Hello everyone, welcome back to Kailash Learning Point. Today I am going to teach you one very important and most common topic of maths, that is factorization. Let us learn in this video how to factorize a polynomial equation. As I have written here four questions A, B, C and D. So this four polynomial equation I'll factorize. So in question number A we have 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Here coefficient of x square is 2, coefficient of x is minus 7 and this is the constant term. So whenever you will factorize, in first step just you do multiply from first term to this last term, or from coefficient of x square to this last term. So here the coefficient of x square is 2, so from 2 I'll do multiply to this last term. 2 6 are 12. So after multiplication I have got 12. Now I will find factor of this 12 by using prime factorization method. 2 6 are 12 and 2 3 are 6 and 3 1s are 3. After finding factor, you just check the middle term. In middle term we have minus 7x. Minus 7x. Now this minus 7x I will split. I'll split this 7x. From here I will select this number. 2 2s are 4 and 3 1s are 3. So in this way I will split, so that when I will do plus, then it must become 7, and the two number or splitted number, if I will do multiply, then it must become 12. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 1s are 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7 and 4 3s are 12. So this number I can use in place of minus 7. 2x square minus, in place of 7 I will use 4 plus 3. And this x also you write here same, plus 6. Now in next step just you do multiply from this x to this 4 and to this 3. Others you write same, 2x square minus 4 into x is 4x, minus plus is minus 3 into x is 3x plus 6. So after doing multiplication, you just take common from this two term and from this two term. Common means that you will get here also and here also. And from this two, if you take common, then the number that you will get here and here. If you get common, then you write the common term in this step. Now here I have x and here also I have x. So x I can take common, and number here I have 2 and here 4. Means 2 2s are 4. Means 2 also I can take common, so I will take 2x. If I will take 2x common, here left only one x, so right here x, minus 2 and x I have taken common, means only 1 2 left here, so write 2. Now from this 2 also you select or check common. So what is common from this two number? Here I have 3 and here I have 6, means I can write here 3 2s are 6. So 3 can take common, so minus 3. Common is minus 3. Now x you write as it is. Now minus I have taken common, means this plus will change into minus. Now here left only 2 because 3 already I have taken common. In next step, same factor from this 2 you write only 1, so x minus 2. And this you combine and write 2x minus 3. So this is the factor of this question number A. Finally, I have got answer for this question number A. So when you will factorize or when you will find factor, so in this way you have to do. So x minus 2 and 2x minus 3, these two are the factor of this question number A. So in same way I'll do now for question number B also. So in question number B we have x square minus 13x minus 30. So in first step, we'll do multiply from first term to this last term. Here the coefficient of x square is 1. So from 1, if I'll do multiply to this 30, then I'll get 1 into 30 is 30. Now in next step, I'll find factor of this 30 by using prime factorization method. So 2 15s are 30 and 5 3s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. Now I'll check this middle term. Here I have minus 13x. To get 13, I'll do minus. Why I'll do minus? Because here I have minus sign. So 5 3s are 15 and here left 2. So 15 minus 2. 15 minus 2 is 13 and 15 2s are 30. So I can take 15 minus 2. X square minus 15 minus 2. If I'll do, then I'll get 13. X I'll write same as it is, minus 30. Now when you'll do minus, then you'll get 13. And if these two number, if you do multiply, then 15 to the 30 means matching. So I can use this. In next step, I'll just do multiply with this x. Minus 15 into x is 15x. Minus and minus become plus. 2 into x is 2x minus 30. So in next step, just you take common from this two term. Now here, no number common, only x will get common from this two term. So I'll write here x. If I'll take x common, here left 1x minus x already taken common means only 15 I have here. So write this 15. Now from this two also you take common. So 2 I can take common because 2 15s are 30. So 2 I'll take common plus 2. If I'll take 2 common, then here left only x minus. So write same minus. 2 already taken common means left only 15. So write here 15. Now in next step, from this 2 common factor, write only one, x minus 15. And this you combine and write x plus 2. So this is the answer for this question number B. X minus 15 and into x plus 2. These two are the factor of this question number B. X square minus 13x minus 30. Now we'll do for question number C. So in question number C given 9p square minus 16q square. Now here given only two terms, so I cannot split. So splitting middle term, this method I cannot use. So I'll check now whether this I can change in formula or not. Now here I have 9 and here I have 16. So I can use this a square minus b square formula. So to change this in this forms, I'll write 3p whole square. If I'll do 3p whole square, then 3 square is 9 and p square is p. It's exactly same number I'll get. Minus 16 means I can write 4q whole square. If I'll write 4q square, then 4 square is 16 and q square. Exactly same term I'll get. So I can write this in this form. Now a square minus b square. A square minus b square, formula for a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Now a square minus b square, this is a and this is b. So same formula I'll use, a plus b. A means here 3p plus b means here 4q. A plus b into a minus b. A means 3p and b means 4q. So this is the answer for this question number C. Just I have used this formula, a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. So 3p plus 4q and 3p minus 4q. This are the factor of this question number C. Now we'll do for question number D. In question number D, we have x cube plus x square minus x minus 1. So here, just you take common from this two term and from this two term. So what is common? X square is common. So x square, if I'll take common, then x plus 1. And from this 2, I can take minus 1 common. If I'll take minus 1 common, then left x and this minus will change into plus 1. Now from this 2, same factor, write only one, x plus 1. and these two combine and write x square minus 1. In place of 1 I can use square because 1 square is 1. So in next step I'll use this formula, a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So this is the factor for this question number D. If this video is helpful to you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.